Oh no!
Racing past the clouds in the sky, charting unknown worlds way up high. Defending the galaxy with all our might. Artie rockets. Let's go!
Wakey, wakey, Plankto! Plankto! Go and destroy Santa's workshop, and I'll reward you with this delicious piece of steak.
Oh no! The dragon is coming!
It's time for you to leave, Plankto. You will not ruin Christmas. Plankto is so powerful. She seems to be weak to electricity. Let's use this Electro Blaster 3000 and see if we can get Plankto to leave. Number 8. A triangle. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's finish this. We did it! Plankto is retreating. We officially saved Christmas.
Thank you for saving Christmas, Artie!
No problem, Santa. You can always count on us.
Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas!